What's going on, gang? So today we're back in the lab, gonna be showing you guys how to do a commercial vinyl wrap install on a sedan. So Interstate Battery dropped off this car, they dropped off the material for it, and they left us with a hot mess. We have a 8-year-old wrap here that we need to remove before we even get to installing the new wrap. Now, to get this vinyl off of the car, I like to use the brand Chemical Brothers. They have a product called Vinyl Off. You just want to spray that onto the vinyl and then go ahead and heat it up with an infrared lamp, and you should be able to peel that stuff off pretty easy. And then for the leftover glue residue, we like to use Adhesive Off Pro, and that should scrape it right off easy like this. And without further delay, we can hop into the pre-paneling. All right, so we just got the new wrap in, couple decals to go along with it. On these wraps, they're going to be labeled somehow, no matter what company you get it from. We're going to go ahead and start putting these pieces on the car, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. So all of the old wrap is removed off of this car. Also, all the glue has been taken care of. Still got like a few areas I'll probably rub down with alcohol, but other than that, we're pretty much good to go ahead and start the install. Oh, yeah.
Against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior.
All right, gang, so we have wrapped the hood, the roof, the trunk, and as I started working on the rear bumper, I seen that this piece of wrap that they printed out does not cover the whole rear bumper. On further inspection, I see that there is no front bumper either. This is typically not how it's supposed to be done. It's just supposed to be one whole piece, a piece for the rear and front bumper. So this is just gonna, I guess, put the worst case scenario in your face. So I'll show you guys how to handle this. But then also, if you want like a wrap that's printed correctly, you want to learn how to do it that way, you can check out this video right here, and I'm gonna put how to wrap a Dodge Charger with a fade wrap. All the panels are perfectly printed out on that one because we mapped it out ourselves. Like I said, this one, somebody else did the design and print out for it, so kind of out of my control. Just gotta install what I can and what I'm given. So let's go ahead and hop into the install.
I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.